Hello, it's the 29th of April 2018 and we're back for another day of fun with the family. This is Coastersaurus.
Hey, hey, find me no love.
Welcome to Drayton Manor. We're back again. It's our first visit here of the season, so we're going to have a wander around the park and see just what's changed since the last time we were here. For our first ride of the day, it's time to get back on Maelstrom. First swing of the season, Kraken Riders Maelstrom. Still my favourite UK flat ride. Really enjoy a go on that one. New film on at the 3D cinema. It's Ice Age No Time for Nuts. So that's come straight over from Alton Towers, it looks like. Also new for 2018, the Sheriffs Showdown. Looks like Golden Nuggets Wild West Shootouts had a complete re-theme. Let's see what they've done in here. Well, they've certainly done an awful lot of work re-theming the station. Let's see what they've done to the ride. What a brilliant job they've done of that. It's so good. They've got new guns, the screens in the fronts of the cars, an awful lot of new theming in there. They've made a really good job of turning Golden Nuggets, which was fun but not brilliant, into such a great little dark ride. That was cracking. Really very impressed with that. So Peter, what do you think of the new Sheriffs Showdown?
Really good.
Do you like what they've done to this then? Yeah, good fun.
Yeah, and
good.
I don't know why there's now skeletons in the bit with like that wolf wheel.
Yeah. What do you reckon to that, Tina?
That was really good. The lighting in the ceiling, everything is just really good. Well done, Drayton Manor. Oh God, there we go.
How is that, Tina?
Well, I've done Tower 5. Yeah.
You doing that again?
No.
Yes, Apocalypse Tower 5 is back in action. Stand up floorless. That is extremely uncomfortable. And I still prefer sit down on drop towers. I just feel like you get more force out of it. It's just your body position. It always seems to work better when you're sitting. The stand up element, the only thing I come away from it with is it's very uncomfortable. It's not that pleasant a ride experience, if I'm honest. Always good fun, but I'm not sure I'm going to be doing stand-up floorless very often. Yes, now it's time for yet another Drayton Manor favourite. Let's go on Drunken Barrels. great ride on accelerator there, cracking little coaster that. Really do enjoy that one. It's probably one of the better ones that they have got at Drayton Manor. Do like a ride on the Haunting. It's always really good fun watching people's faces, especially if they haven't been on it before. I've really got to wonder whether that is the sort of size of the ride that they're going to put on at Legoland for next year. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see that one. How's the bounty, Peter? Cool. You like that?
Yeah, but on the bounty, I was doing it, launching off the sea.
Oh dear.
Then Mummy was holding on to me, I don't know. Then I wasn't going up, because I was like glued to the seat then.
Ah, right. How's that, Tina?
Oh, it's good. I like the bounty. Best pirate ship.
Yeah, it's a good one, that, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's really good.
Couple of rides on Sheriffs Showdown to finish off the day. We're really very impressed with what they've done with Golden Nuggets. It's really good. They've done a really nice job of doing up that dark ride. It's a lot better than it is now. All the effects work, most of the guns work, and yeah, really, really very good job. It's definitely our highlight of the day. We've had a really, really good day at Drayton Manor today. Some cracking rides, really impressed with the new dark ride. It's been great. Unfortunately though, the rides are now closing, so it's time for us to go. So until next time, bye-bye. I hope you've enjoyed our video today. If you have, why not subscribe? Then you can be among the first to find out when we upload a new video. Also, if you head over to our Facebook page, you'll be able to find photos and more information of the stuff that we get to on our park visits. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.